first and foremost, I trust my husband, right? I trust him 100%.
Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel,
The Parchment Fam.
Alright, and today is what?
Sit Down Sundays.
Yeah, so today we have another episode of Sit Down Sundays, and today's topic is gonna be about,
Yes, so today's
we're gonna pretty much have a little discussion we do today, you know. So what we are talking about still, we are talking about a little situation where like how you would feel or how you would react in a situation where say your wife have a personal trainer, right? A big thick man, right? I come on your yard, come train her, and you have to go live them there, or she have to go a personal trainer, right? And vice versa, a man have a personal trainer who a female, and the female busty run up on anything there, you know? So we want to discuss that a little bit. I know can give no input in the comment section, but before we get to that, just head on down below real quick for we please and thanks. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you're not already subscribed, alright? And for regular subscribers, just sit tight and enjoy the video, alright? Now we know we appreciate, you know. Thanks for no support and everything, alright? So we're not gonna talk too much. Let's get into the video.
Yes.
So we introduce yourself in new subscribers them.
Yes.
So this is Kieran and this is
Jessica.
Alright, and you're at the Parchment Fam channel. And you're not supposed to leave the channel already, alright?
Alright.
So we are talking about the video now. So
Ladies,
who will start it off?
gentlemen,
Ladies before gentlemen.
I know what I'm gonna say.
Anyway you want to say it.
Adam was made before Eve. But
Yep.
you know, anyways. So if you have a personal trainer, if she's you can get one skinny one and like a maga.
but with a woman bigger than skinny now, woman same way, you know.
When I don't feel away.
Yeah, why you not gonna feel no way?
If she's skinny. But anyways, if you have one where you know well blessed. Well, first and foremost, I trust my husband. Right? I trust him 100%.
You want me laugh, people?
Shut up, wait.
Alright.
No, I trust him.
So tell me what me.
I trust him. I'm making a disclaimer before we go into it. I trust him 100%. Right? However, if him have a trainer and she have to be a woman, I don't know why she can't be a man. But if she has to be a woman, well-rounded and gifted, I have to be at every session.
Yeah.
I have to be at every session.
Right.
We're not in that. Remember, I said I trust him. Now, however, listen, the mind, the second mind where they down there, so and listen, you never know when somebody can do something what they're not supposed to do, because people find themselves in all kind of situation. So you might have got it all the time.
Alright, my time now. Remember, you see, me tell you why I laugh. If you say you trust me 100%, why you have it did it all the time?
Listen, that don't mean I not trust you. But she me not trust.
Alright, if you trust me, you say me. If you trust me, you no matter what you want to think about.
Listen, your judgment might go away for like a second, and that's a split second. Your judgment might go away. That not nothing to do with the trust I have for you. Still trust you.
Can't go on, man. Boy.
Me still trust you, but listen, you never know. You just never know. In at the moment, you be like, you know, say, just a one little touch or one little whatever. You know, you never know. Listen, the enemy out there.
Alright, me tell you with me now.
More here now.
If me say my wife have a personal trainer and I want big thick man and something there, with big abs and bicep and something there, then something not gonna matter to me. Because you see true me know say me when it come to me, you know, me confident in myself with certain things. Because you have a big thick man. Hey man, they can't stack up to when it come to a certain body part, you know. So because they big and thick and
you don't know that.
Me full of 10 pack and biceps this man. So
You don't know that.
no man, me not miss it and a big thick man personal trainer, you see them not so tight to walk. Me can't people
You don't know that.
Big and me
Also, that's why you don't worry.
Me can't walk in a tights in the cause me teeth you all of the what you call the clients them, you know. Yeah man, one step me step in the gym in a tights. Whole of you man them
But
done.
that way him full of himself.
You know? So
you tell me say you wouldn't mind if me alone they deal with this well And me always, but remember, me always I tell you, say, no, go and go lift iron, cause me like when the muscle them up, them me like the split abs and stuff like that. You say, I tell me, say, you gonna lift me around a man like that?
Yeah, you can't then have a split abs and muscle up yourself. Me have it
doesn't really, it doesn't really matter.
The work, you know?
Yeah, but it doesn't.
Yeah,
but you don't care if me around that demand there.
Nah, man, nah, me alone no code with that the lot, man. Nobody can pull that the lot.
Back in the day, like you remember when they have an Robin Hood.
Me not really business with that personal trainer and something or big and thick they want to be and whatever.
Oh really?
Because they can't pull that the lot there now. Me know it code. Your fingerprint and my fingerprint.
No, Face ID.
No man, me don't need no Face ID. Like if Face ID to extent, me don't need no Face ID. Me alone can't pull that the lot there.
Me love your confidence in yourself, sir. Me love your confidence you have in me too.
Me alone can't pull that the lot there.
Me love your confidence you have in me too.
Whether it's a personal trainer or a public trainer or whoever I want to be, me alone can't pull that. Me can't live in a room and train naked.
What, really?
I'm still not worry myself because me alone can't pull that the lock.
Listen people, me love the confidence you have in me.
I mean,
nice. I'm still not living around.
You might say attack me.
Run your run off your mouth.
Me know say me alone can't pull that the lock.
Run your run off your mouth. It's just because you know the type of woman that you have. That's why.
Alone, man. Me alone can't pull
that. I don't have the kind of mindset.
Right, me tell you,
that's the reason why.
That's a part of it too. Because if a certain type of woman, you're not going to lift them around a man like that, whether a personal trainer or a regular man. You know?
Mm-hmm.
But when you know a woman,
yes, see?
not saying nobody not perfect still in a but me alone can't pull at the lap, man. Me alone can't pull it.
Well, you better thank God for Jesus. Because I'm saved. That's
we all live and never save.
I joke, that's not me. I'm not that type of person.
You have a 6-pack and big old muscle.
I'm not that type of person. So
me full up me have all like muscle them there, man.
So that's why you're not worried?
Nah worry. Because me have all of them the 10-pack and muscle and bicep they are them place there, you know?
Sure.
You see me?
Keep that in your head.
That in my head all about things.
Still?
You can't stay there.
Me still then I left you with that the woman there alone.
Alright.
I leave one I pick in the
Alright, give me one reason why.
I just told you.
Yeah, that one. Give me another reason.
Another reason?
Yeah.
I think that's the main reason.
Because me a man.
No, not because you're a man. Mono say because you're a man. But it's just that
you don't know what can happen.
You never know she might, never know what she might do, and you might lose your head for a minute or two or whatever. You never, it can happen.
I never say it can't happen.
Yeah, it's like, you know.
But me I say, if you have here watch me then.
Me never, what you mean by me not watch you like on a regular basis.
You say you have to do this. So
yeah, me have to do with the personal trainer because she gonna do all kind of yoga pose and squat and something, and your eye might start, you never know, your mind start wandering, all kind of thing. And
everybody different still, but me, when it come to certain things, you know say you can't get caught up. But say for example in a situation, me in a scenario like that now.
Yeah.
What would you do? Me not see how would I get carried away if you do that, especially a person you have a person and train. Yeah, rub up on me, but what is gonna be the result if you had train and you not even say have protection by you? Where you go do? You're not go so stupid.
She have it. Suppose that she a pro.
Yeah, I say she work with protection and everything then. Me tell her all the while now, when you come to them something there, me not just think about you.
I think long term.
Me think about me beating them, my kids them. Yeah, me always think about them. I say, boy, it's like me in your head. I say, boy, all my pitney years and me do them. I sit there now and then I hit. Then you say that me and them mother break up, or then he say, even me and you not break up. Even me and you not break up. And then he say, daddy, do that. Right? It's like they look on your way, because a lot of time they not be too old to understand certain things. Yeah. And then them say, boy, say daddy never think about you when you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like me never think about you first or them first.
Really?
Think about,
me last to think about?
Because if you say you have a woman and you're not a pitney and them something.
So you think differently if you never have a pitney?
Yeah, I go think about the woman, yes, but it's like a woman alone, you go shame both. You know, you understand me, but when you come to a pitney, them that's different.
Extra level of shame.
It's a different level of shame. You know?
But, well, if you see that, if a woman, you see other day where the strip down naked and you just turn your back gear. Well, I guess it would have been the same thing.
Me never turn back, me move quick. Because me no want to see. You know
You
what
want
I
to
mean?
see nothing.
Me see, you know, but me no, you know, have no effect on me. Because them the type of woman then are really, you know what I mean, loose. You know, like when a man too loose.
Yeah, that's the next thing too, yeah.
A woman must make me have to chew a rope and miss.
And I wonder what
You know
they,
what I mean?
like you have to, you know, just fling at you. Surprise.
Me try cast, you know,
Leave
really.
some stuff to the imagination.
Try me cast a few times and miss. No make me just cast you so. Or you try run come in a rope, you know something. So, you know
So you try convince me to change my mind then?
Me not tell you if you change your mind on me, ask you give your opinion.
I probably would,
right?
Knowing me.
But for me, honestly, when you come to me wouldn't worry about them or something there.
True.
Because me know say me alone can pull them the lock there, you know? And then at the
It's
same
just because
time,
you know honesty. That's why. You know I'm not that type of person.
then,
That's the only reason
then at the
why.
same time, God forbid say something happen, right?
The devil is a lie.
No, me don't better say God forbid say something happen. Most time it's just lust in a sense where there's no emotional attachment. It's just a physical thing. If you know what I mean? It's not like you say that happen between you and the person. You know, say you're emotionally attached to them. You know what I mean?
And that's the thing with most time with a lot of women, they have to be emotionally attached
Yeah.
before they even go any further. So if a lot of times when a woman enter into a relationship like that and they're cheating or something like that, they've already started
they
entertain certain conversation with the person and thoughts. Yeah. So chances are she would exchange conversation with this person before they even take it that far, you know. So that's probably started some signs even before, you know.
And then at the same time, when they come to them something there with woman, and me see it as something normal. Because me go up on the road and me see one woman with big bottom and round up on it. And me always say to you, say, boy, look on the bumper there, and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That is a man. A man always go see there something there. So if a woman see man with abs and muscle, then you see it, you know what I mean? Say them are attached to the person emotionally, or them are lost, just a turn your head and looks up on him, man. That is a different story.
Plus I've yet to see ever since I've gotten married, I've yet to see that person that caught my eye. For me say
You tired me talking, I say me no believe
you know,
so.
but if you say it so much time, it has to be true.
Me don't know if it's true, you know.
Like, listen, I'm so serious.
Hold
Like,
on, hold on. Me have to go with what you say, though. Right? Me have to go with what you say, because I can't read your mind. But me find it hard to believe.
Why would you find it hard to believe? Why would I be singing and it's so like every time this conversation come up, I always end up revert back to the same thing. I have yet to see that guy that would make me take a second look and say, if me never married, he would have been my husband. No, I've yet to see that guy.
But you can't say him would have been your husband, but you don't know him.
No, let me just mean like physically, me say would have said drawn. I guess it's just my mindset not making my eye open, my eye don't kind of close off to everybody else, you know. So it's like me can't, even if somebody look good coming from Stanford, I probably wouldn't realize because my mindset just don't let here. So
yeah, man, but when it comes to personal chain with your wife, I mean, I'm business there something, man, because I have a dumbbell, you know, you see me. So,
oh my gosh.
You just go ramp round, man, and
stop
come back.
Flatter yourself.
The dumbbell. I say personal chain, a dumbbell lift up in so mine have a lift. You see me? Heavy.
No, dumbbell you're talking
so, you don't know seminary business with that part there, you know? And the next thing again, as me say, me alone can't pull the lock there, so.
It's just because
Personal
you know the type
trainer
of
can't
person where me be. It had nothing to do with anything. So don't listen to anything as we say. Just because him know the type of person where me be.
Alright, so that is our thought on it. Me give my take and you give your take.
Yes.
So everybody else there watch. You no might not believe me still, but me I tell you the truth, and that's how me feel about it. Me I be honest. That's how me feel about it. Whatever me say, that's how me look on it. And you give your take. So here we know. More we hear what you know what say about it.
Yes.
So now go comment below. Remember to like the video, share it. And we have a lot of other videos on the channel. And this is Sit Down Sunday.
Yes.
This is today is January what? 24th?
4th.
And then we do this each and every Sunday. So you can watch the previous ones and catch right back up if it's the first time on the channel, alright?
Yes.
So thank you for watching again. Peace.
Bye.